This is what you get with the Coway ba13. A water supply hose, 2 screws, mounting board, elbow connector, T-connector, remote control, and the bidet itself. With this tOOaleta, which is a mono black, we had to use special screws that you can get with us, because you can't actually screw it from the beneath, it's only from the above, so it's not through and through. So you need these screws. If you ask us, we'll give us free of charge. We'll give it to you free of charge. So now we're gonna install the bidet. First, close the water supply. Then insert these screws. Then place the mounting board over the screws. And screw in, yeah, like so. So screw it in loosely and you will fix it to the desired place when you'll mount the Coway ba13 itself. You'll see how it fits the toilet bowl, then you can fasten it as much as you can then. In this case, we already know where exactly the mounting board should be, and we just fasten it completely as it is. Now we just slide the bidet on the mounting board and just slide it in until you hear a click at the end. Yeah. Now we will connect the elbow to the water supply main. The connector, so it can provide the water from the water tank into your bidet. And just connect the hose from the T connector to the T elbow connector. Release the water. Plug the electricity in. And it works. It only works when you're sitting on the bidet, so we have to put pressure on the sensor in order to show you how it works. And that's it, we're done. So if you want to connect the Hyundai filter, that's the ionization filter, removing lime scale. First you have to, of course, close the water supply, drain the tank, and simply screw in the water filter. Very simple, just screw it on. And that's it, and only make sure to screw it in the appropriate direction. It will have an arrow showing the flow.